Take it to Ricky. It's a Ricky. Good morning, guys. It's currently Saturday, June 16th. I'm going to take you guys through unboxing the summer 2018 FabFitFun box in a minute, but first it came 2 days ago, but I wanted to wait to film this, so honestly, we're gonna obviously go upstairs to my room for that. But first, I'm just gonna have some coffee, and then I also have to upload my cleaning routine for your junk drawer video. Also, I don't know why I'm on the floor.
Kiss me hard, forget them judging eyes.
Too hot, too hot. I had to put it in the microwave because it was cold when I poured it in my cup. Now it's too hot, so guess I have to wait a minute.
If I don't even care, is that really such a crime?
Now I'm going upstairs, and before we do the FabFitFun unboxing, I want to show you the new bed I got. Ta-da! Do you guys like it? Okay, so ignore those little things on the ground. I have to get thinner ones that will protect the floor from the bed, but this is my bed. The bed is from wayfair.com, and if you wanted to see like back here, I'd been saying how I wanted the soft fabric kind of bed with the little buttons. I don't know what this is called, but this kind of bed. And I really love how it's not just a headboard, like it's an actual bed frame. I was at work all day, I come home, and I walk in my room and there was a new bed all set up. This was my boyfriend's gift to me for my birthday. My birthday was June 10th. I turned 23, if you were curious. He knew I had been wanting a new bed, so he came in the morning. He like took apart my old bed and put together my new bed so that when I came home, I just walked into my room. And I remember being like, wait, am I walking into the right room? Did I, like, cause I was tired, it was late, cause I didn't get home till late that night. And then I was like, oh my gosh. But I'm gonna stop talking about all these other stuff and let's get into the FabFitFun unboxing. I have officially received a box from every single season. I'm not sure if the summer box is still in stock or not. I heard that it might have sold out, but there's still like in between season boxes that you can order, or you can order a box for the fall. So far, I'd say the fall box was my favorite. But if you did want to order the box for yourself, I will have the link in the description box as well as a coupon code so that you can get $10 off of your first box. This is always the hardest part, figuring out how to, oh, actually it wasn't that hard, I take it back. First is the little magazine that they give you. I don't like to read that until after though. This all looks so cute. Just look at how beautiful. How beautiful. We have this, which I've heard 1,010,000 YouTubers talk about how great it is and how phenomenally happy they are about it. I've not even heard of it, I'm gonna be totally honest, but after I heard everybody talk about it, I'm like, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it. Got it. Comment down below if you remember from my fall unboxing when I like opened the teeth whitening charcoal and I was like, and it just, and if you open that up, you see a little plastic thing, and if you open that up, this is great. Can we look at this right now? Wow, that feels awesome. Woo! It vibrates. This measures your skin moisture and it customizes a cleansing routine. Wow, that's really cool. Next, I see Pier 1 import. Gosh darn it! This is gonna be great to put like little rings on and stuff. Another thing about me that you may not know, but I'm gonna update you now. I love anything marble. Marble is like my thing. And it comes with bubble wrap. Tarte is obviously a cruelty-free brand, and they've been one of my favorite cruelty-free brands for a very long time. Gosh darn it, that's beautiful. Look at this. I'm super duper pumped to start trying this out. Wow, that's beautiful. This is, oh, this is a pretty pink. This is the Orlando PITA Play Hair Protectant Spray. Ooh. Nothing's coming out. Oh, whoops. That smells so pretty. That is what I do love about all of these FabFitFun products, is that the mass majority of them I do use. Hair products, skin products, I always find myself using them throughout the entire season. Oh, this is some sort of sports thing. I said that weird. This is a loop resistance band. I have never heard of a loop resistance band with like these little hand things. I wonder what you're supposed to do. On FabFitFun TV actually created exclusive videos where you can do workouts with this, so I'm gonna have to check that out so that I know what to do with this, because at the moment I don't know, but it looks cool. Let's move on to the towel. I always have a problem opening things. Where are my scissors? I threw them on the ground. Ow. Absolutely love this pattern. How fun is this? I feel like SpongeBob with pineapples. It says it's a beach towel. It's like super soft though. Like it almost feels like a blanket. I really like it. I really like this towel. I give it an A+. It's like super soft. Like it's not normal towel material, so I don't know what it's gonna be like when it gets wet, but I feel like it's gonna be nice. I feel like it's gonna be cool. So I'll update you on that when I go to the beach one day with it. There's 2 more things in here. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is important, especially for me. I'm the kind of person that gets very, very, very sunburned, and then it goes back to just very, very, very pale. Like I don't really get tan from the sun very easily. So that's why I use fake tanner. I use fake bake if you didn't know. But I have to put sunscreen on, otherwise I get so stinking freaking bright red and it hurts, and then I just go back to pale, so it's not even like I get tan from it. It's water resistant for 80 minutes. Wow, it's pretty cool. Oh, that smells good. I feel like I had to plan a beach trip now. I have all these beach things. And it's like the prettiest little packaging. Is that not the prettiest packaging? De-stress muscle gel. Oh, that's cool. Gosh darn it. Why do they all have this little sticky thing? This is a good box. It really is. Having a lot of trouble with this. It smells amazing already. This is a de-stress muscle gel, focusing and soothing. So the ritual is to apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. That's so cool. That's like the most relaxing smell in the whole wide world. This is cool. I'm excited to use this. Also because, you know, I go to the gym and then I come home and my muscles are sore, so I can use that and it'll help. All right, all that's left are these twizzly things. Twizzle. All right guys, I love you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more videos so you're notified. And let me know if you want me to continue doing the FabFitFun unboxing videos, and I'll see you in my next video.